Come on, Lucci, I'm ready for round 2. Come on, get up! Get up! Get up! Wait, I should be a singer.
What the hell was that? Why is he white? I'm not racist, guys, but I swear, but why is he white? This isn't the same gear from last time. I knew he got stronger, but this stronger? I'm gonna have to lock in. I'm turning into an Alpha Sigma.
Good googly moogly!
Now who's the Alpha Sigma?
Did you just turn into the Alpha Sigma?
Wait, Luffy's cooked.
Holy crap, the Alpha Sigma!
Holy shit! Sigma, Alpha.
Oh?
Sigma.
What the frick? What's happening?
Baby!
Wowza! Yeah! Kiss my guy! Kiss my guy!
Oh my god! The guy is the One Piece. Alpha Sigma is angry!